I am Longinus Amakute, aka Chief Imo, but please don't forget to add Honorable under my name. If you want to pronounce my name, Honorable Chief Imo, that is when my name will be complete. If you fail to put Honorable, I am Chiefless. So Honorable Chief Imo. Then towards the end, go add the other name, Corpus and Corpus. Then when you get close to the end of my name, KTC Copist. That was a couple. Somebody who is serving. I am here to serve public. So whoever that is into youth services should be called a copper. Then when you are a woman, you are corpress. When you are a man, you are a copist. That is it. We are all English producers. After all, our government produces English. He has his own dictionary. So as an indigenous of Imo State and as ambassador of Igbo comedians in Imo State and in the whole Nigeria, I think I should be proud to have my own dictionary, Iberiberism. His own is Iberiberism, then my own is Awkwardism. Thank you very much. I'm happy to meet our wonderful mommy, Chief Mrs. Selin Oji. You know, sometimes it's good to believe in people, or sometimes I believe in we live upright, then let your lifestyle or let your name speak for you. The first day she called me on phone, I was like, wow, who is this woman? She said somebody gave her my number to call me. She called, we talked. The confidence in her that we talked as if we've known for years, you know. She was talking, we're smiling, we're just gisting, cracking jokes. Somebody recommended you, and I don't want to work with any other person except you. If you allow people in Nigeria to dupe me, that is good for you. But I want to work with you. I want you to do my video. I want you to be part of my video. And today you have seen it all. We have come to the end of it all. How I wish you have enough time to stay in Nigeria. We would have traveled so many other places. But I know this is just the beginning. They say the beginning of everything is somehow difficult. But I didn't see any difficulty in this one. She really did wonderfully well. Her smile, and although she don't know how to dance very well, but at least the little she gave us, we managed it. I did, and I did, that kind of thing. Mommy, you are too much. And I thank all of you who are watching us, or who will be watching us, or who is going to watch us, or who who is into the watching of us. That is my own English. Can produce you know, damn it. So yes, Chifimo, if I didn't do what you people know me with, I think I'm not complete, and this is part of me. Some people say I talk too much. Yes, if I don't talk, I will not eat. My family will not eat. So I am talking because of the gift God has given to me. Mommy Selin Oji, you are too much. I'm happy working with you, and I pray to work more with you. Really very soon we all are going to assemble in the United States, sit together, and then do more jobs together for betterment of our tomorrow and our children. Then I want to also thank my crew. They are so wonderful. My brother, as one name, the number. I want to thank him so much. My brother CJ Okongo. You are wonderful. You are a brother. You are a brother. If you're a woman, I would recommend you for my ancestors to marry. But due to you are a man, I'm sorry. My ancestors will now protect you. Then God in heaven will guide you and uplift you the more. Thank you for showing me love. Thank you for welcoming me. My DOP, my PM, my dancers, my beautiful wife who also flew all the way from Lagos. She flew in from United States. My wife flew in from Arab State of Lagos. Thank you to Imo State. One! She came to shoot. All of them now flew. Bed flew, bed flew, where American flew, where US flew, where Lagos flew. None of them she will flow in. She mentioned Obenante. I am from Umudure. I need a way. So I thank you all for watching us. This is my little gift of love. I pray that good Lord will bless you all. Will give you everything you desire. As you listen to this music, man, wow.